Okay, dokie. There's a break in the storm at the moment, but I'm going to be going out. It's going to be pissing down probably. Massive storm, Claudia, Winkle, Junkie Moon, whatever it was called yesterday. There's meant to be another storm tonight. I don't care, I've got to go out. So, for a change, I'm taking a knife. Normally I don't bother taking an actual knife. It's a cheap, I think it's £5 knife that I've modified. I've modified it with a double edge. It makes it a bit more penetrative-able. I don't care if it's a real word or not. Why have I still got that plastic tip and I don't actually need it? Anyway, so, knife. Cat training toy. Very handy thing for, you know, zombified squirrels. My fire lighting system is that. Basically, I'm going to take some cardboard with me in a minute. It's scrap rubbish to take to burn. My food is going to be my Korean noodles with one of those things, gives it a nice hot kick. My power supply lighting system, company radio is going to be that. I've also got like a little USB connector just in case the lighter runs out of charge. It shouldn't do, because that's a pretty good one. Homemade spirits. That's going to have coffee, milk and whitener in it. My food bowl. Half a 3 litre bottle. And this time I'm taking a fork. I forgot last time. Basically the fork that was actually alright because I made one out of a bit of twig and it was brilliant. Plastic bag for rubbish, dirty things to go in like the kettle, so I don't get black stains inside the thing. This is my new toy. Can you tell what it is yet? That is my new cup. It's as much as I really do love my stainless steel double skinned coffee mug that I use. This is the same dimensions, but it's a fraction of the weight. It's silicone. I have used it in that round the house, and it's pretty good. The only metal bit is that little rimmer in there. That's the only metallic piece. The rest of it is just a silicate, and I keep expecting it to break or fall over, but yeah, so far that's pretty good. It's compact and very lightweight. Fits inside of the kettle. I'm going to be taking 2 litres of water for food and for coffee in the morning. 1.5 litres of squash. A 5 metre length of paracord. At this point I've cut a few bits off. 25 metre length of paracord. It's quite literally that one, the longer one, is so I can secure my 5x5 tarp, which does have corded tight to it. It's just so I can hold it up a bit more how I want it done. The shorter one, that only has one job really, and that's to put a line across so I can hang the Bergen radio and things on it. My smaller tarp, which is big enough, and I keep it in the same place in the Bergen so I know exactly where it is to grab if it does piss down, because that will actually cover me and my kit. T-shirt, sweater, fleece. Basically, just cold. Basically, so I got something dry to put on when I get up there. I'm all sweaty. For a change, I'm taking a very thin, waterproof jacket. It is literally a single skin, extremely thin, but it's 100% waterproof. It's not for walking around in. That is literally if it's raining when I'm doing coffee in the morning. My new combats, which unfortunately they've got army print on. I hate army print stuff. But they were, I think, 10 or 15 quid. They're slightly thicker than the standard ones and they're waterproof. They've got a waterproof coating on them, which is, and I tuck them up so they're my length as well. 2 thin sleeping bags. Well, we got 2. One was given to me 5 years ago, 10 years ago. The other one I bought. They work at about 10 quid each and 100% windproof. I'm going to be going inside my helmet bag. No, crash helmet pack. My oven ready, foil coated tin thingy, keeps out all the wind. It's 2.5 by 2.5 metres. My 5x5 metre tarp. My hammock. Don't forget the hammock. That, I think, is about it. I've got loads of little gadgets that I was thinking about taking. Like, one sec. So I've got lots of little gadgets, like I've got a rechargeable light bulb and all those little rechargeable things. But they only weigh 5 grams each, but they all accumulate in weight and bulk. Oh, and of course, underquilt. I was so dubious about getting an underquilt before I got it. I was very dubious. It's just a basic sleeping bag you tie underneath your hammock. Is it really worth it? It is 100% worth the effort. Even if you're in summer conditions, if you're not wearing a full windproof outfit, you will still feel a draft on your body, even in sheltered conditions in the summer. So that's with the modern hammocks. Modern hammocks are basically a thin pair of tights. So that's what we're going to go to the Bergen. So this is the Bergen I use. I've got a couple. This is a full-size Bergen. I've not done it because of the injuries I have, but before I got crashed off the road, I could use that as a sleeping bag. I'd be snuggled down in there, scrunch up, and you pull out this piece, like this, and that will actually, if I knees up to my chest, that will come up to my shoulders as a sleeping bag. Other little things people don't seem to realise with backpacks is when you have it with your cover that goes over the top of the backpack, that has another use. If it is raining, you unhook it, flip it over inside out, and then have it as a hood to keep the rain off you. These things are water repellent, that weave. So as long as you've got this done up tight, less chance of rain getting into your backpack, and that way you keep the rain off your head. If you're a bored fucker, it's not an issue. I'm not exactly bored. So that, I think that's it. Make sure I take a fork this time.